Yo, so may Nirvana MB na naman nga pala to. Ang reviewer na walang tira, men. Kilala nyo na, walang iba. Kundi ako lang yun. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, men, click mo na yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli para at least, men, updated ka sa mga ilalabas natin mga reaction video. Katulad nito, men. Ito, spatan na natin to, men. Let's go. Ito, men, grabe yung pinagdaanan pala niya, men, nung bata, men. Grabe yun.
I've been searching for the
You
pieces
know,
of the child who
died.
died. Searching for the man that's got his dreams inclined. Been drowning in the dark. Wish I could find a light through silent cries. Every day feels like battles, scars and marks. Alright, life of never-ending struggle. Pushing up what I want. All I ever asked for is for God to save my.
You know, all I ever ask for is for God to save my hand. Ano yun, men? Kumbaga, kung titingnan mo, kung sa POV ng batang si Josh yun, men, parang, yun na lang siguro, men, yung parang hope niya na, God, tulungan niyo po ako kung anong pinagdadaanan ko ngayon, men. Or, God, sorry, napapamen ako. Parang ganun, men. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko. Kasi, men, sobrang hirap, men, na makaranas ng ganun. Hindi ko, men, paalam kung ano yung specifics. Comment nyo dyan, Caps, kung ano ba yung specifics na nangyari kay Josh nung bata. Kung binubugbog ba siya, kung sino yung nambubugbog. Hindi ko rin alam kung sino at kung ano yung mga traumatic experiences na naranasan niya, men. Bukod sa palo or bugbog or wala akong idea, men. Tulungan nyo ako, mga Caps. Comment nyo dyan kung gaano kadelikado, gaano kumbaga ka-brutal, kung brutal man yun, yung sobrang lala na na-experience niya, men. Comment nyo dyan, men, sa baba habang iniispatan natin to.
Oh, I'm not okay. Wanna run away. Thought tomorrow's getting better. In this cycle, trap forever. Losing my mind. Is it really meant for me to cry and hate my life? Oh, I'm not okay. Wanna run away. Lost but don't wanna be found. I've been screaming without a sound. Where do I go? Where do I hide? Where do I run? I've been searching for the pieces of the child who died.
Ang ganda pa rin talaga, men, nung hook niya, no? Para talaga niya siya, men, na nasabi ko yun sa doon sa reaction video natin dito. Para talagang yung boses niya dito, men, nare-reminisce ko yung Simple Plan. Meron kasing, alam natin, men, yung pinakasikat na kanta probably ng Simple Plan, yung Perfect. Parang ganun ko siya na, men, yung Perfect din, men, na nakanta is parang may pagkaganon din, na, di ba, parang sinasabi yung mga flaws doon sa kantang yun, tapos parang ganun. Ito naman, men, meron siyang parang pagka-upbeat yung beat na yun yan nabanggit ko na parang may hope in a way. Maganda yung doon ako sa hook talagang kumbaga suabe. You know,
Searching for the pieces of the child who died. Searching for the man that's got his dreams declined. Been drowning in the dark. Wish I could find a light through silent cries. Through silent cries under the moon. 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 Too many hopes turn to dust, leaving people that's manipulating us. Do you think I'll kiss your ass for the price?
Do you think I kiss your ass for the price of lies, men? Men, ngayon ko lang na ano yun, ha? Mabigat yun, men. Parang biglang pumasok sa akin, men, no? Balik ko nga, men. Ganun.
Too many hopes turn to dust, leaving people that's manipulating us. Do you think I'll kiss your
You know, do you think I'll kiss your ass
ass for the price of the lies?
for the price of the lies?
One of these spies, even though
Parang dito, men, parang may napanood ako na parang podcast. Hindi ko maalala, men, kung saan. Parang bigla ko naalala, men, yung mga sa mga artista naman ito, yung mga artista na gumagrind na gustong makilala sa mundo ng showbiz. Parang ganun, men, parang politics. Parang ganun parang politics minsan sa industry kailangan dami mong connection, tas politics yun nga, kailangan mong kumis ng ass para alam mo yun, makilala ka, mabigyan ka ng spot sa isang any program, parang ganun, men.
these lads who did me dirty, pain is more than any I forgive. Let me say, why do I get the hate in this being? All I ever did was to share them all of my love. Living like a villain joker in this scene, like I'm never gonna be enough. Lost but don't wanna be found. I've been screaming without a sound. Where do I go? Where do I hide? Where do I run? I've been searching for the pieces of the child who died. Searching for the man that's got his dreams declined. Been drowning in the dark. Wish I could find a light through silent cries. Through silent cries under the moon. Through silent cries under the moon. Through silent cries under the moon. Through silent cries under the moon.
Ito rin yung isa pinaka dito, men. Para emotional na nakatingin lang siya, men, sa sa langit or sa yun, So, yun. Naspatan na natin ng Silent Cries